guys, welcome back to another video, and today we got a fake PS5. It's actually called a GS5. I ordered this from DHgate about 2 to 3 weeks ago. Today we're going to finally check out what we got. So it actually came with some black bag, some black mailer, and it's protected with tons of bubble wrap, so I'm expecting the box to be in good condition. Now this thing says it plays retro games. We're going to see what this actually means. So let's open this up. This thing is covered with tape. It makes it really hard to open, but hopefully this thing came intact and the box isn't damaged. You can start seeing here some fake PS5. It's really hard to open because of all this tape.
2 hours later.
Now that we have it open, that took way longer than what I expected. We can now see the GS5. Now this pretty much looks like the real PS5 here. And we got 2 controllers and it says plug and play. On the right side, just shows what's included in the box. We got the PS5, a stand, 2 controllers, a power cable, and some DVI cables. So on the bottom, we see a barcode and stuff, made in China. This thing did ship from China. It has some Chinese writing here. It's actually called a Game Station 5. It says item number. So let's open it up and see what's inside. It's pretty much easy to open from here, unlike all the other bubble mailing things. You open it up. And there we have it. We got the GS5, also known as the Game Station. So let's put that box aside. We got the Game Station right here. We got a reset button, a power button, and 2 joystick USB plugins. On the back, we got AV out, DC in, and some other fake imports like a micro SD, and an HDMI, I believe. On the box, we got 2 controllers, each one with its own USB. Each controller has some arrow key buttons, select, start button, and it's got some fake triggers right here, nothing actually on them. And we got the 4 circle buttons. Let's put that to a side. We got our controllers, we got the Game Station. Now we also got this stand, so we can put this on and make it actually stand and look good. Now we got it on the stand, connected like that. Also in here is the power cable. So in the back, we can just plug this in, as easy as that. And we will plug this into a wall. And then we got some instructions here. We got this in English, how to play, precautions, TV program. And we got some more instructions. All of it is in English. And we got some old cables. So these cables, so the bad part about this PS5, or Game Station as you might call it, is it's only going to work with older TVs or TVs that just have these input. So if you're actually planning to buy this, make sure your TV has this red and yellow thing on the back. I'm going to show you what I mean by that, because I'm going to plug it in and show you guys some gameplay of it. So we can plug all that in. So that's pretty much what's on the box. This is the box again. Now let's go test this out on a TV. So this took me a while to figure out. So once you're back here in your TV, you gotta plug this one here and this one there. And then in the back, in this PS5 thing, you gotta take this and plug it in like that. And then you gotta take your power, which is pretty self-explanatory, and plug it in like that. And then in the front, you're gonna see 2 USBs, and that each one is for each one of the controllers. So you gotta connect each one of the controllers. And then that's it with the connections. For the next step, you just gotta click power, which is the bottom button. And then you see here on the TV, it's not working. And now we're on the GS5. Now it's a 200 game console. Let's test some games out. Let's start off with the first game, Super Mario 3. So we're gonna click start on the controller. And I have one controller plugged in at the moment. So we're gonna click one player game. And let's start by going off to level 1 and seeing how this is. So we're gonna go to level 1. And here we have it, some classic Mario. Right here we can see, and the quality isn't that bad considering this is a retro game, so the game isn't actually high graphics to begin with. So this is basically like an Atari, but just within a pleasing look and some nice packaging. So this could work as a nice gift or just something to get for your family. So we can see here, this game runs pretty good. Now let's test out some more games. We can go back to the menu and scroll down through the list of 200 games. Let's test out Pac-Man. We're gonna click start on the game. And then we're gonna keep clicking start until we get to the game. You can see our Pac-Man in the middle, and now it's moving. And again, so should you get this item? Well, considering the price tag of $40, this item is not a bad deal. This item has 200 games and will serve some enjoyment. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and like and check out my channel. Maybe you'll find something else that interests you. Thanks for watching.